Hello everyone, welcome to Let Me Cook Some Maths channel. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Nanyang Prelims Paper 2 Question 17, a question on circles. The figure shows a circle, so the circle they're talking about is this circle over here, and four semicircles, four identical semicircles. So you can see one up here, and there's another one below. And then we have another one here that's kind of overlapping, and another one on the right. Okay. And they are all drawn inside a square. So this is the square of side 12 centimeters. So from here you already can tell that the length of the square is also the diameter of our circle. So it passes through the center O, all right? O is the center. So 12 centimeters is the diameter. So for part 1, they're asking for the circumference of the circle. Now to find the circumference, we just have to use the formula pi d. So for part A, to find the circumference of a circle, now this is just a 1-mark question, rather straightforward. Pi d. Now pi is 3.14, this is given, so we have to use the exact value, multiply by 12, and punch it into the calculator, you're going to get 37.68 centimeters. All right, that's the answer to part A. For part B, which is a 4 marks question, they're asking for the total area of the shaded parts. Now the shaded parts are kind of scattered all over the figure, so I'm going to do some consolidation of the shaded parts. Firstly, I am going to move this piece over here, this shaded part over here. I'm going to cut it and paste it over here. Now this is known as the cut and paste technique. Okay, so I'm going to be moving it over to the other side. Okay, so now it's going to be here. Okay, and then now the one above is no longer shaded. Okay, I'm just going to white it out like this. Now if you observe, we're going to be getting a shape that looks kind of like a shark's fin. Yeah, do you see this shark's fin? And this shape is actually repeating throughout our circle 4 times without any overlap. Which also means the area of one shark's fin is equivalent to the area of a quarter circle. And that's going to be the method for us to find the area of our one shark's fin. Okay, so that's one part done. The next thing I'm going to do is to move these 2 little shaded parts to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to move them to the bottom. Let me do it now. So they are going to be here and here. Okay, so they are going to be removed from here as well as here. So the final part of this shaded region is this shape here that looks like a fountain, isn't it? It looks like a water fountain. So how do we find the area of this water fountain? If you look closely, there is an identical water fountain on the other side. So if we take the area of the square, let me just illustrate this here, and take away the 2 semicircles that are back facing each other, and then divide that by 2, we're going to get the area of one water fountain, isn't it? So that's going to be the plan. So let's get started. So we have a plan. We are ready to find the total area of the shaded parts. So for part B, total area of the shaded parts. So that's going to be the area of our shark's fin. Let me try and draw it. Plus the area of the water fountain. Okay, and the shark's fin is nothing but a quarter of the area of a circle. So a quarter area of a circle formula is pi r squared plus the water fountain, which is the area of the square minus the two semicircles, okay, which they make up a full circle, and the entire thing divided by 2. So let's put in the values. So this is going to be 1/4 multiplied by pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by the diameter is 12, so radius will be 12 divided by 2, 6 cm, 6 square, plus the area of the square, which would just be 12 multiplied by 12, minus the area of the circle, pi r square, and that would be 3.14 multiplied by 6 square, and if you can take the entire thing, divide by 2. So everything into the calculator. A quarter of a circle will give you 28.26 plus the water fountain is going to be 15.48, and sum them up, you will get the answer 43.74 square centimeters. And that's the answer to part B. If you like this video, if you find this useful, do subscribe, as I'll be posting more videos as we approach PSLE, all right? Good luck, everyone. Thank you.